People use search engines to find solutions to their problems. But how do you make sure they find your website when they search? The trick is to make sure your site gets the highest possible ranking in the natural search results when someone types in your keywords. To do that, you need to get the search engines to visit your website so they know you're out there and know what your site is about. They send out spiders, little electronic scouts that report back on the content of each web page they visit. If everything on a page relates to a single topic, and the page contains keywords that people would use to search for that topic, then the search engine will know what that page is about, and it'll recommend that page to people searching on those keywords. For example, this person wants to stop a dog from barking. This page is all about that. In other words, it'll give that page a good position in the search results for those keywords. So you need to make it very obvious what each page on your site is about. You do that by building each one around a specific keyword theme. And that's what on-site search engine optimization is all about. Now, the spiders go to specific places on a web page to look for keywords. And you can make sure there's lots of spider food there waiting for them. We're going to show you where those spots are. First, your content. The spiders look at all the text on your site.
You'll want to be sure to pepper your top-performing keywords strategically throughout the text on your website. It's best to focus on a handful of keywords per page, plus a bunch of related words and phrases.
The spiders might process all the text on your site, but your keywords are the cherries on the cake. So you might think it would be a good idea to stuff your whole page with them. Well, you'd be wrong. Too many keywords have the opposite effect. The search engines think you're trying to force feed them, and they do not like that.
Hey, we don't just visit your content. We dig right down into the structure of your page to find what we're looking for.
There are some really valuable hiding spots for spider food in the background of your site, like your title tag.
Your title tag is where we look first when we're visiting your website, so invite us in with a yummy keyword. It's usually used as the brief description of your site in the title bar, and it's the title for your listing in the search results. So make it short and descriptive, and use a keyword that matches the content of the page.
They also pay attention to your description meta tags.
This tag describes the purpose of your web page, so of course we want to see what keywords are in there. It's usually the blurb that's included in your listing in the search results, too.
Your keyword meta tags aren't as important as the description tags.
We tend to ignore your keyword meta tags, but they don't hurt either. List up to 6 keywords or keyword phrases you're optimizing the page for in order of importance, and separate them with a comma or space.
Headlines and subheadlines are a great place for keywords.
You can tell us spiders what's important in your content with header tags. They look like this. H tags say, hey, this is a headline, or this is a subheadline. The search engines pay attention to those because they figure you wouldn't use keywords in those places unless they pointed to what the page is all about.
And the spiders even look behind your images or video.
We spiders can't read images, but in your code you can put some text that will display if your image can't download. Put keywords in there to identify the image, and we'll eat them up.
The spiders are hungry when they get to your site, and you'll be rewarded with better search rankings and more potential customers to your site if you serve up some tasty keywords right where the spiders go looking for them.